Hey friends, looking a little bit crazy. Kona, you can say hi? Hi. He's got his fall bandana on. I don't know if he likes it, but anyway, I wanted to do a quick unboxing and share with you guys, he's wanting all the love, and share with you what I grabbed from Flavor God. The seasonings are really good, have clean ingredients. If I have a code or like coupon or discount, I will put it in the description box. I may not, but I'll put a link to the website. So sweet. But I wanted to share, because I'm on this 80-day journey, I want my food to taste yummy and delicious as it has, but my mouth is watering just thinking some of these seasonings, and I've seen a lot of people share it and I wanted to give it a good try. So they have combo packs, so I ordered some combo packs to get a better deal, and I got some sweeter things and then also some like really like flavorful things, so I'll share with you guys. All right guys, this is how the box came. In fact, there was some tissue on here, but I took that off. And let's just dive in. Okay, so I got this one. This is chocolate donut. I've seen other coaches share it. It's got honey, cocoa, cinnamon, coriander, cardamom, and nutmeg. And so I'm planning on putting this maybe on some fruit or maybe a cafe latte that I'm making with almond milk. Sounds delicious, or maybe even on my Shakeology. This is garlic lovers. Does not look good. I'm actually going to show you what's in it so you can see. So garlic, onion, sea salt, chili pepper powder, basil. Looks so good, right? So I plan on using this on veggies. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Probably the one that's my top of my list was buttery cinnamon roll. Definitely looking forward to this one. Made with honey, cinnamon, coconut flour, vanilla, sea salt. And so just like a little bit of a dash, help change the flavor of some stuff. That'd be good maybe on my yogurt. Taco Tuesday. I know taco seasoning can be, you know, you can kind of get it anywhere, and this is some typical taco seasoning flavors. But it was part of a pack that had this one in it, pizza. And the reason why I got this is because definitely on this plan, I'm not having pizza right now for 80-day obsession, but I could put this maybe on popcorn or maybe like some homemade fries in the air fryer. And doesn't that just sound delicious? Oh, can't wait. Actually, let's look at what's in this one, because I don't want someone to ask me and I go, I don't know. That's in the pizza one. All right, I've heard great things about the everything spicy. So it's like an everything seasoning, but I like spicy food, and I'm hoping to put this on my like veggies, like green beans and broccoli, maybe even like doing some cauliflower. So I'm gonna try that. And then I got a lemon garlic. I think this was part of a kit because I wouldn't have necessarily ordered this on its own, but I actually don't have a lemon garlic, so I thought this would be good anyway. Really good on some fresh veggies. And last but not least, I think this is, the everything. So it's not the everything spicy, but an everything seasoning. And this is the ingredients. So I'm excited to try these and let you guys know what I think. And I will put any info I have on them in the description. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one. And I will see you guys in the next one. All right, bye, guys.